Hey, I'm glad you're here. This channel is about financial freedom, self-discipline, and building real character, the kind that actually sticks. If you're looking to grow in those areas, stick around. So how do we make these videos? Simple. We start by reading Jim Rohn's books, actually reading them. We study what he taught, take notes, figure out what really matters. All of that done by us as humans. Once we've done the work, then we put the video together. After that, we use AI voice synthesis to share his message in a voice that sounds like Jim Rohn. It's not actually him, but it helps us present his ideas in a way that feels familiar if you loved listening to him. I want to be upfront. This is a fan tribute channel. We're not officially connected to the Jim Rohn estate. We're just people who think his teachings are too valuable to let fade away. So if you're ready to grow, financially, mentally, as a person, go ahead and subscribe. Let's get to work.